everyone. It's Take 10 with Shane and Michelle. Just Michelle today, and I am at Disney Springs at the Days of Christmas store. And I have something special I want to get done today. Those of you who followed along, we completed our Dopey Challenge a few weeks ago as part of Marathon Weekend 2024. And you get these great finisher ears if you did the marathon distance. But these ears are too plain for me. I want to have them personalized for Rob and I. So I heard here at Disney Springs at the Christmas store, they will personalize them. I've got an idea of what I want to do. I reached out on Facebook to some Dopey Challenger groups. Every one of you shared what you have done. So I'm going to drop these off and I'll share the finished result. All right, everybody, we are in the Christmas store, and I don't care that it's February, early February. I love shopping for Christmas stuff, and it is so pretty in here. And look at this over here. How appropriate. There he is himself, Dopey, and we have our Dopey gear on today. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ask a cast member. I'm not really sure where the personalization takes place, so I will take you along. Actually, as soon as I said that, I think we have found it. It looks like she's over here doing some fancy stuff on some ornaments, which looks wonderful. And here is a little bit on the menu of services for the personalization. And I am going to be asking, okay, you guys, it's Scarlett from Columbus, Ohio, and she has no idea that I'm from Columbus, Ohio, and I am standing here right now. Hi, Scarlett, how are you? Oh, we're good. I'm going to get some personalization done.
Awesome, yeah, we'd love to do it.
I want to do my ears for the Dopey Challenge. I saw that you guys were doing that, and I'm going to share with you what I would like. It's pretty much what you guys have been doing for everybody. So
yeah, so you're just going to head right over to the register there, place personalization order, and they're going to take your phone number.
Okay.
We'll text you when it's done so you don't have to hang around.
And they will take the order of what I want
Absolutely.
done? All right. Are you going to be the one that's going to do it?
I sure hope so.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, everybody. Scarlett from Columbus, Ohio, Disney cast member. You heard her. Said to come over here and place the order. So this is where you go. And we're going to share with them what we'd like to have done with our ears. I'll tell you about the pricing and all of that once we finish. Okay, everybody, we made it back to the Christmas store, Days of Christmas, and we are here for our Dopey Challenge ear reveal for personalization. Terry took great care of us. Let's see them, Terry. Let's see what they look like. Oh my goodness, everybody, look how gorgeous. Beautiful font, beautiful colors, personalized. You can do this for yourself. I think it was a total of $40 for both. Terry, how much is it per name? Like $5? $5 per name or word, what you want to put on it. And the pixie dust, that little detail right there, Terry let us know is free. I was going to go with fireworks, but that was an extra $5, so we got the free pixie dust. So thank you, Terry, for that.
You're welcome. Alrighty, so you got your Dopey on. What's going on, girl?
Well, girl, I just had my Dopey ears personalized, and hopefully everyone enjoyed that footage, but we thought we'd come back on. It is officially now Take 10 with Shane and Michelle.
Yes!
And we had a great, Shane, we just had a great marathon week in January, wouldn't you say?
It was great weather.
Oh my gosh, awesome weather. A link to, for those of you, I know several of you signed up for your first Run Disney Marathon weekend 2025, and there's some first-time Dopey. I did my first Dopey in 2024, and one thing that I don't think I knew, Shane, I knew about the bling and the medals, and I always saw everybody, and your husband's done several Dopeys, one of our handlers, that you got finisher ears.
You get ears.
And I love the ears, as you saw in the beginning of the video.
So cute.
What I said about the ears were, they're nice, but they were a little too plain for me.
Well,
And the
we
reason
are bling girls.
Well, we do love the bling, and the reason that I thought they were plain is because I saw all of these people post on social media. I got my finisher ears personalized. I did this, I did that. And I'm like, well, I want to do that.
Well, when you said that too, I wasn't expecting this.
What were you thinking? Were you thinking
Yes.
yes.
I thought it would be, the old style.
You can do that at Disney where you embroider the back.
Yeah,
I remember when the kids were little, we had one for each of them made, which was really cool. But what I loved about this is they are willing to work with you. I will put the exact price in, everybody, on the bottom. But they charge you by, I think, word. I got a free design, Shane.
You did?
That little extra
little
sparkle.
Extra bling.
I was going with the fireworks, and the lovely cast member said, that's an extra $5. Why don't you do what we do for free? And I'm like, if it's free, it's for me.
We like free.
We like free. But well worth the money. And this is something, you guys, I have hanging. I'll insert a picture where these are with my Dopey Challenge medals. I have 2 because my husband ran Dopey as well. And they're in my office, and I just love them so much. So the theme is personalization.
I like that.
And
I
want you to talk, Shane, I want to put a link to, you had some things personalized.
Well, yeah, I had no idea. If you're looking for a special t-shirt, or if you have a graphic, Uniglow can do it right there for you. So brides or any fun birthdays or t-shirts, you always see t-shirts at Disney. But if you forget something, just go to Uniglow. I had no idea.
And you know what, Shane? Now that you're saying it out loud and we're talking Dopey, I bet you could do I completed my first Dopey.
Yeah.
Take a design. They will upload anything. Shane did for a proposal.
Yeah, it was
a proposal,
cute.
Which is really cute. And again, you guys are going to see a link there. So yeah, don't be afraid to personalize. And I know things are expensive at Disney. I thought yours was a good value. I thought these were a good value, and now I have them because it already has the year here. So
I love
something now.
I love it.
So they're so fun, so fun.
So personalization, either for your ears or anything. Make sure you go. It's right across from the Christmas store, right?
Yeah, it's in the Christmas store.
Oh, it's in the Christmas
inside
store.
the Christmas store. I think it's called 12 Days of Christmas. I opened the video with the footage of that.
Okay, good.
And they have people there ready for you. They just texted me when they were done. So Shane, let's talk about what Rob and I did, because it was a hot tip from you while we were waiting for the ears.
Yeah.
Rob and I went over to a photo studio. Shane, talk about this great find.
So yeah, it's there. A lot of people don't know about it. If you have the photo pass, it's obviously free. But there's a studio that has several different backs, especially during the marathon weekend. They have like race finishes for each one of the weekends where you can go back and take all your medals, you go back and get a shower and feel refreshed and take a professional photography. So how many did you guys do?
Well, we went back and did it, and just FYI for location, in between World of Disney and Ghirardelli.
Co-op.
Or the co-op, right in that area, whatever that they call that section. Yeah. It is tucked back there, and they have all kinds of amazing sets and backdrops. Not only do they put them up during the race weekends themselves, they also do other themes. Shane, they had a really fun Florida orange theme. You and I went.
They do.
Rob and I will post pictures from both Shane and her and Joe's and Rob and myself. We did a Pirates of the Caribbean when we went in February. Rob and I went probably exactly 1 month post marathon, and we did walk in, and the cast member said, well, we're sorry, but we only do the RunDisney backdrops for the races, and by the way, they do them for the 5, the 10, the half, the full, anything you want. We only do those during the marathon weekend. And I said, oh, that's okay. I was a little disappointed, but whatever. Everybody,
they surprised you,
picture right here, dropping it in, you're seeing it right now. They put the marathon backdrop for us. They had it there. I don't know if they were just saying they couldn't do it and they did it, to trick us, or if somebody just made magic happen. I don't know. I don't care how they did it.
But
we
got your picture.
We got it done.
But
and Shane, you've done some great pictures too.
Yeah, but speaking of that, you do you can do any pictures there. It doesn't just have to be your race picture.
Absolutely. Take your family, take a couple.
Right.
Go by yourself. Hey,
Exactly.
If you want pictures of yourself that are fun because you've got a cute outfit on, go to Disney Springs Photo Pass Studio and have a blast. We didn't have a wait when we were there. Sometimes there's a little bit of a line. It moves fast.
It does.
Those people are great at making suggestions. So all you new marathon weekend people, get over there. Get over there. And don't be afraid.
You don't have pass, do you? Do you have a photo pass?
I don't have a photo pass.
But on marathon weekend, anybody can download those pictures, correct?
No, they cannot.
Oh, they cannot. Oh,
you cannot.
Sorry.
Marathon, no. So when you sign up for Run Disney, and you link your bib to your My Disney Experience photo pass, the only way you don't get the watermarks is if you do have photo pass. Now, you can either, Shane has it attached to her annual pass.
Yeah.
So if you're already linked with somebody who has it, I can see all my photos and she can get them for me without the watermark.
Great.
If you are not connected to anybody that has that, if you are running, especially if you're running multiple races, cough up the cash and do your photo pass.
Worth it.
Those photos, you followed Shane and I, if you've seen any of our, we have hundreds of races. I'm going to link right now to our 5K.
I love it because there was no way.
Wait a minute, I'm linking to 5K. We haven't even put out the 5K yet.
No.
That's coming, everybody. Yeah. Shane and I were like, well, we're going to talk about that. You'll talk about that. Shane, there's one other thing I want to talk about for people doing Run Disney. Okay. We've talked personalization.
Yep,
We've talked Disney Studios Photo Pass. Here's the thing with Marathon Weekend. It's crazy after the race, right? And you've got,
you're sleepy. You haven't slept for 4 days.
Photos. Here's my thing. We did the Dopey Challenge, right? 4 days. We did a little park time on the Sunday, went to Magic Kingdom, grabbed a meal, took some pictures in front of the castle. I'll put those in here as well. And then we were out. And I got home, Shane, and I was kind of bummed out because I wanted more pictures with my bling, with characters. So what Rob and I did about a month later, we went back in February to the parks.
Yep.
And I packed. Now, I had to pack a little heavy.
Nobody knows.
As I went into the parks because I put it in a backpack. I took all 6 of my race shirts. And what we did is Rob and I had it and we were like, costume changes. I'm going to show you a couple of what I did. Here's Goofy. This was probably my favorite color of all the ones they gave us. I love this beautiful like aqua. And then the metal is gorgeous for Goofy. Dropping picture in right now. We went to Epcot and we got to see Goofy wear our shirts with our medals. He took our medals, Shane, he was hanging them from his nose. Aww. Great time, great photo shoot. So we did that. Then we're over, and I think we maybe got Mickey in Epcot as well. You can see on the app when the characters and who's there. We go to Animal Kingdom, hit the jackpot in Animal Kingdom. I only brought one as an example. Chip and Dale were together. Aww. Rob and I quickly put on our Chip and Dale. We put our Chip and Dale shirts on. And again, you guys will see the pictures. And we were wearing our Chip and Dale medal.
This one's really cute.
Shane, we did all of them. We did Chip and Dale. We did Donald and Daisy separately for the half marathon. We did one with Donald, then we walked over and did one with Daisy. Both at Animal Kingdom, you hit the jackpot, by the way.
Wow.
Donald, Daisy, Chip and Dale. We do not have Dopey. And here's the thing. I was just on a site today, people talking about Dopey. You'll see my profile picture on Facebook is Dopey because Shane and I went to Jollywood Nights and I got my picture with Dopey. I had not done the Dopey Challenge yet, so I didn't have my Dopey jacket or my Dopey shirt. Dopey is also at something called Storybook Dining.
Ooh, and, where's that at?
Well, I almost want to be secret, everybody, because I don't want you guys taking our slots. But Shane, we're going to do it this year because I don't care if I did Dopey 2025, I did it in 2024, and I'm going to that character dining, and I'm putting my jacket and medal on as if I just did it. Storybook Dining at Artist Point at the Wilderness Lodge.
Oh!
Dopey is there along with Snow White and the Evil Queen and Grumpy. I have done it before, but remember, I did it if you link to my Dopey challenge video where Shane and I give you tips and tricks. Dopey wasn't on my radar. I never thought I was doing Dopey, so why would I even care at that point?
Yeah.
We're doing it. We're doing that because we want to get
what
pictures.
What is it? Is it breakfast?
And here's the thing. Here's what I'm saying. Shane, we don't even have to do a marathon weekend. We could go up anytime with our stuff.
We can drive.
Yeah. So if you guys
Absolutely.
are not annual pass holders like us and you are just there for the weekend, Storybook Dining is the only place you can get Dopey.
So he's not in the parks
He's not in
anywhere.
the parks. You'll see him you'll in the corrals if you want to wait and be on your feet.
Well, so
for an
that's a
hour.
good tip though. If you don't have the time to do it
Do it
and
then.
Dopey is there, so
Do it then.
make sure you stay and wait for Dopey then.
Yeah, but just get creative with your bling. I don't know how I thought of it. Maybe you told me, maybe I saw it with somebody else, but I'm like, you know what? We go to the parks. I'm just going to put it on there. Shane, I think that's a wrap on personalization, how to get the most out of your race weekend because you earned it, everybody. You earned the bling.
You got the bling.
You earned the bling.
Got the ears.
So document it. Be
Yes.
proud of it. I get to look at this when I'm old and I'll say, Shane, you remember back in the day when we did the RunDisney races?
Yeah.
Shane and I probably will still be doing them.
We'll
but,
walk them.
We'll walk them. Hey,
we'll make it. We'll
plug for the 5K. We're into the 5Ks
Yes,
now.
absolutely. That's a lot of fun.
Yeah. So Shane, I think that's it.
All right, we'll make all your moments magical and Run Disney.
And beyond, everybody, take 10.
Bye.